Hello, students of Standard 6. Good morning, all of you. Welcome back with revision classes. Your syllabus is completed, and revision is excellent to that helps to retain already learned concept. All right, students. So let's begin from chapter 1, history. So revision class, part 1. First of all, you need to learn key terms. Civilization, empire, epic, flood, Hyksos mythology. Students, it's very important. All of you learn it. In previous classes, I thought all chapters beginning of civilizations जो कि हमने पढ़ चुके हैं स्टूडेंट civilization की शुरुआत कैसे हुई what is a civilization I repeat again a few points the term civilization refer to a group of people living down in an organized civilized manner it is a system of social development when nomadic hunter and food gatherers gradually develop over thousands of years towards advancement and settle down as a cultured community of civilization was born. हमने पढ़ा था स्टूडेंट द salient features of civilizations. It's very important points, students, and important questions. What are the salient features of a civilizations? You will write in your rough copy. The salient features of civilization are people live in cities and towns. There is a settled life. Surplus food is produced by villagers. This allows others to carry out craftsmanship, trade, and other activities as their basic need for food is fulfilled by the surplus produce. Trade relation with other civilization develop. There is a written language. The written language helps in the enhancement of knowledge, which is very essential for developing a civilization. Town planning is given importance. There are different religious belief and art forms. Finally, there is a government to make and implement laws and punish the lawbreakers. You will write 3 to 4 points. No problem. We had already read early river civilization. The 4 earliest known civilization of the world are Mesopotamian civilization, Egyptian civilization, Harappa Indus Valley civilization, Chinese civilization. Students, प्रीवियस क्लासेस में जो भी हमने चैप्टर्स को पढ़ा और से फिनिश किया कंप्लीट किया तो आई होप कि आप लोग को चैप्टर अच्छे से पसंद आया होगा इट्स योर रिवीजन क्लासेस सो योर मेन फोकस योर क्विक रिविजन्स योर साइड क्वेश्चंस chapter questions take the correct answer when humans look for more than just the fulfillment of their basic needs the stage is said to be to a stage of it's very easy civilization a civilization has different religious belief and writing forms river valley civilization are called so because they were situated along rivers आई मुझे पता है कि आप लोगों ने इसे बुक में फिल कर लिया होगा बहुत सारे बच्चों ने इसे कॉपी में बनाया होगा द सिविलाइजेशन वॉज लोकेटेड इन द वैली ऑफ रिवर नाइल इजिप्शियन सिविलाइजेशन हरप्पन सिविलाइजेशन वॉज लोकेटेड इन द वैली ऑफ रिवर इंडस एंड इट्स ट्रिब्यूटरीज तो हमारा नेक्स्ट टॉपिक था प्रीवियस क्लासेस में द मेसोपोटामियन सिविलाइजेशन द वर्ड मेसोपोटामिया मीन्स द लैंड बिटवीन टू रिवर्स द मेसोपोटामियन सिविलाइजेशन ग्रू बिटवीन द फर्टाइल लैंड ऑफ टू रिवर्स टिग्रीज एंड द Euphrates around 4000 BCE. किंगडम एंड देयर रूलर्स। हमने किंग सर्जन के बारे में पढ़ा था। हम्मुराबी's कोड। Hammurabi was one of the greatest king of Babylonia. He is remembered for the Hammurabi code of law. It is completion of 282 laws encompassing different aspects of life. The code carved on an 8 feet high stone pillar followed an eye for an eye principle. The law set a standard of conduct and justice for his empire in ancient Mesopotamia. मैप आप रीड कर लेना स्टूडेंट। एक्सटेंट ऑफ द मेसोपोटामियन सिविलाइजेशन, कैसे ये एक्सटेंड किया मेसोपोटामियन सिविलाइजेशन आप देख सकते हो इस तरह से। मेसोपोटामियन सिटी town planning, a large number of cities existed in Mesopotamia. Many Mesopotamian cities have been excavated so far. The main cities were Eridu, Kaish, Uruk, Ur, and Lagash. Uruk was the largest city. It was divided into three parts: the sacred area, the walled city, the outer town. We had already read in previous classes. Religious belief. Society. The Mesopotamian society was divided into three classes: upper class, middle class, lower class, and slaves. Trade and commerce, occupation. Farming was the chief occupation of Mesopotamia. No more. The Mesopotamians invented coins, weight, and measure to develop trade and commerce. A Norwegian explorer built a boat using a method mentioned in Mesopotamian source. This is an indication that they knew the art of making such boats on which long sea journey were possible. Art and architecture. The cuneiform script, written right to left, was first deciphered by Henry Rawlinson. Knowledge and Science. The Epic of Gilgamesh. They has also given the world earliest known poem. It's our quick revision. It's very important. Students, was the largest city of the Mesopotamian civilization, Uruk. The Mesopotamian society was divided into three classes: upper class, middle class, and lower class, and slaves. Farming was the chief occupation of the Mesopotamian. It is believed that Mesopotamian king enjoyed trade links with the Harappan civilization. Take the correct answer. The Hanging Gardens of Babylon were built by B. इसका आंसर है स्टूडेंट न्यूबी Chadnezzar II. The world first known art of writing is known as cuneiform. The Mesopotamians have given us the world's earliest known poem, the Epic of the Gilgamesh. The irrigation system practiced by the Mesopotamians eroded the improper irrigation system practiced by the Mesopotamians eroded the fertility of the soil. Students, today you will learn 4 questions. It's very important. Chapter first, history. Answer the following questions. Question number first. Name the Mesopotamian king who was to build an empire. Question number 2. How was the Mesopotamian society divided? Question number 3. Discuss town planning of the Egyptian civilization. Question number 4. Discuss the lifestyle of the people of the Egyptian civilization with a special reference to the position of women. I have already sent PDF of question answer. मुझे पता है आपको कहीं भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. फिर भी आप आंसर्स देख सकते हैं स्टूडेंट्स. I have tell you, students, learn these important questions. 1 to 4 question. Name the Mesopotamian king who was the first to build an empire. The King Sargon was the Mesopotamian king who was the first to build an empire. Question number 2, how was the Mesopotamian society divided? Question number 2 का आंसर है the Mesopotamian society was divided into 3 classes. फर्स्ट अपर क्लास, सेकेंड मिडिल क्लास, थर्ड लोअर क्लास एंड स्लेव, जैसे कि हम लोग पहले भी पढ़ चुके हैं कई बार. द किंग प्रीस्ट हायर ऑफिशियल्स एंड राइटर बिलोंग टू द अपर क्लास. द किंग वॉज वेरी पावरफुल. ही वॉज ऑल्सो द चीफ प्रीस्ट. ही परफॉर्म रिलीजियस rites and sacrifice. The middle class included the farmers, artisans, and traders. Slaves belonged to the lowest class of society. Question number 3. Discuss the town planning of Egyptian civilization. There were two kinds of cities in Egypt. A was a city that grew up naturally and unplanned, Memphis and Thebes. A demi was a city that was laid out along a plan. Demi, when translated, means a settlement. The houses and out were built off the edge of the street, with which house sharing 3 walls with the neighboring houses. All houses did not have walls. The houses in a demi were built on both sides of the street. There were 10 houses on either side. Each house had 3 rooms, a courtyard, and a kitchen area. Question number 4. Discuss the lifestyle of the people of the Egyptian civilization with a special reference to the position of women. The lifestyle of the people of Egyptian civilization are as follows. The 2 upper class were the rich people. They led lavish life. They lived in big houses. Men and women both wear jewelry made of gold and precious stones. Poor people lead a very tough life. They work as servants of the rich people. The position of women was inferior to the men. Usually, they were not given any power. During the New Kingdom, the queen began to get a prominent place. Student, I repeat again, I have tell you, learn this important question, okay? Today revision class is completed. We will meet in next revision classes, okay? Thank you.